Hello everyone, my name is Pratik and I'm going to show you how to create a pagination wherever necessary. I have this mm, like here. Here the number of pictures in a page or a wallpaper in a page are more than what I am expecting. So I need only 9 in one page. So for that we do pagination, and how we do that, it's a dynamic view. That means whenever I upload something, it automatically going to come and show in my page. So the the challenge is how to create a pagination dynamic. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I have already taken care of the script. I'm going to tell you the mean of this paging would be where we need paging and all that. Okay. So the trick is we have to count the number of rows. That's the trick. Now here, what we have here is this. We have Bollywood category Bollywood. So what I need to retrieve all the rows and the number of rows in this category. I mean to say number of the different actors in that you have been saving, that the number of rows I need. Okay, that's the basic, the number of rows I needed. So for that, what I do, I come to this later. First we do this. Now first thing I need that in each page there is only 6 images. Okay, uh, it may be less, but it not going to be more than 6. Okay, that's why I initialize this per page to 6. You can initialize this to anything like 10, 15. The how many you want, it's on you. Like I change it to 9. Okay, and save it, and I run it. You see now it's showing me online. So and the pagination panel going to decrease, but I reduce it to 6 because I have to show you many more things. Okay, now first thing I do, I select from table test where class name equal to Bollywood. Okay, and order by priority. This is not important in this moment. It's not important, but you can cancel it. But it's a script going, so we write it. It's not important. Basically, it's saying that uh, there is some column which is priority and order it by descending order. Okay, so after that there is a function MySQL num rows. So this gives me number of rows. Now number of rows came to into count. So count taking care of the number of rows. Okay, in that category. Now this total, what is doing now at this moment, you just forget about this. Now let's come to, okay, let's do it again. This begin. Now come here. What I'm doing is set begin. Okay, if there is no begin at the starting, at the start, like here, like let's just do it. uh, you can see begin here 0. Let me take care of it. Okay, because when now I click, still everything going fine. Why? Because of this is set get begin. If this is not initialized or it is not in a get, give begin 0. Okay, or if it is in the URL. Okay, let's just forget about it now. For now, let's just forget about it. Okay, and say I just comment it. Okay, and here we are. Okay, now I'm saying to you that I got the number of rows. Now total, that is begin plus per page. Okay, that is 6. At this moment it is 6. Now I initialize my query. This is the query which retrieve all the images. Okay, this is not in a pagination, but as I'm showing you a wallpaper, so it is to be here. So I write this query. Now patch. Now what is this doing here? Here what I'm doing, I need to know that if there are let's say nine rows or nine actors in my test table. Okay, now I want that only three will be at a time in a page. So I divide the number 9 with the 3 to get the page. Page means now this is what page doing. Page doing, if 9 divided by 3 is 3, so there will be 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. These are be excluding. Okay, that's what it is doing. Now this page plus 1, it's your if you want to do page plus 1 or not. I have done it because there is some problem with the odd and even number you select it, and there is even, so there will be a problem. I have to convert it to 7. So just leave it. If you want to edit or not, it's on you. Okay. So this is the initialized part of the this uh, pagination. Now what this doing? Now let's just uncomment it for now, and let me show you what it's doing. Okay. Now let's just say you click on 2. So what happens now? Begin becomes 6. Now there is a begin there. You see, last there is nothing. Now there is begin 6. So now the get begin is set. So it comes to here and get the value that is 6. Now it requires 6. Now I need to know this total what it is doing, that where to start, from where I have to start calculating my rows. If there are 9 rows, now I have to start from the 6th row or 7th row. It depends upon patch plus 1. Okay. Now I have to start from the 6th row. Now in the same way, when I click third, it again jumped to 12. Let's just see. It again jumps to 12. Now what happens? The total value is 12 plus per page is 6. So it is equal to 18. Now from image number 12 to 18 will be there in the page. Okay, now you understand why I use total. You can use anything, any variable you want. So this is how it works. And one more thing, very important thing that I forgot to mention you, and that is limit here. What limit doing here is that this is the main query actually. Okay, what this doing is this: select from test where class name is something something, that is Bollywood for now. Order by priority, you don't have to mention it, it's not necessary. Then this is very important: limit begin. Now if begin is 0, per page is 6, so start from 0 to 6 page, only include that. If this is not there, if limit begin per page is not there in the query, what will happen? All the 9 rows will be interpreted by the this PHP. Now I restrict it only to 6 images at a time, starting from 0 to per page 6. Now from 0, the next it's saying that begin from 0 and go for 6 length, that is 6 tuples. Okay, in the same way, like I click 1, now the begin is equal to 6, so start from 6 to other 6. Okay, what I mean to say that when I click 2, now it's 6, it is 6, so begin value is 6, so it is saying to PHP that, or you can say MySQL, to retrieve start retrieving from the 6th row, and what is the size that I mentioned is 6. So until till other 6 rows, means 6 rows to 12th rows, because 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. So okay, this is the function of limit. Now this part is over. This is what is initialized part of the this script. Okay, now I have done this. You don't have to worry about it, because it's just a simple CSS using TD uh, to put these images in a pattern. Now we came here. This is control. Okay, so I initialize a div control. Okay, I strong select page. Okay, this is very easy. Now what is it here is this. So this is silence page -1. You know what is the value of page. I told you what is page. Page is the number of page you need in a, you mean I mentioned number of page in the page you need. Okay, this is what page is. This is pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 pages in this page. So this is just a ordinary silence is a, you can say it's a variable, and page -1. Begin not equal to 0. If begin is not equal to 0, it means somebody already clicked on a page. So why I use this? This why I use it. So for a moment, if I delete it, for now, okay, let's just say I delete it. Okay, and I save it and just run it. Okay, from okay, I just run it for now. Okay, I'm here. Nothing is there. Now I click 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it makes sense. There is nothing there. Okay, I'm going just roughly everywhere. I need to go one step back and right. So what is here is this. If I say this, it is nothing but this. Now let me take back. Here is the previous button that will come when begin is not 0, that I'm not in the initial page. Okay, then it appears. What it takes is the last value. You know, last value, whatever it is. Like if I am in 6, now the last value, it keeps track of the last value. Okay, and gives here the last value in the previous one. Okay, now the main part, how I am generating this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How I am generating this. This is crucial. Why I am generating this. How I am generating this. So now the work of patch. How many pages I need? Applying a small for loop, keeping my page address with the begin take. Okay. Now you're thinking what is take? Take I initialize here as 0. I'm initializing take as 0, a variable as 0, because you know, when for loop start processing, for first row, that is for 1, I have to have begin 0, because I have to come back to first page, and first page always begins with 0. So it keeps take value is 0, so it gives me 0 for 1 for first loop. It gives me 0 with a category. I have to mention the category, and echo I. What is the value of I? So 1. So my 1 is going to print along with all the credentials it needs. For second, what happened is I move take I plus per page. How many per pages we have? That's 6. So it's going to keep 0 plus 6 into take. Next time when second time this for loop works, it's going to give him 6. So that is how. Look at this. It's 2 begin equal to 6. It's 3 begin equal to 12, and 5, and like this. So this will work like this. It is going. And now in the same way, like the we have the previous button, we have, or we also have the next button in this, that is begin is not equal to take minus per page. So what that mean? Take minus per page. We know what is take. Whatever the value of take, that is, I am here. What I'm doing is ensuring myself that I'm not in the last page. If I'm in the last page, that is in the last page, I don't have to show next because there is no next after last page. That's what it is. If when I am going to show previous, when I'm not in the first page, okay, that's where the previous button came, when I'm not in the last first page, and when there is next button when I'm not in the last page. Okay, so that is why when I'm in the first page, I can see the next button because I can go 2, 3, 4, 5. When I reach 5, next button will not be there, and previous button will be there. Okay, that's the basic thing. Now that's it. That's that's all about pagination. Okay, that's all about pagination. But one more thing that I want to teach you here, that's very interesting. Let's just redoing some script, and uh, let's just do some script change and find out. What I want to show you is this. Let me quickly just rewrite the script here and here. I say here, and I just keep it somewhat 9. Okay, and do this. Now here we go. So here is everything. Now what is the problem here is this, that this is keep on growing, and now more images came. So what happens, this will exceed this. It's become tedious, believe me, become tedious. So for that, a small script can help you. What we do, we came right, where is it? It is right here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add something that right here. Okay, right here we do a small program that can help you in ensuring that if, okay, if I you say greater than equal to begin divided by per page, okay, and just share this, and again I say if have count is less than equal to 10, what it is, I'm going to teach you. Just give me a minute. Okay, I have to just keep it clear. So okay, then happens this, and so for this I want have count to increase, and just have to close. Okay, let's do. Now what happens? Let's just see. Here we go. Oh, there's a problem in 126. I don't know what's the problem. Oh, I just forgot. Like this. Okay. No, it's okay. Let's just see. So what I do, I ensure that there is only 10 tags at a time in a page. There will be more. Like I jump to, you are seeing 10 last. No, I going to 6. Now it's increasing 14 to 5, but I ensuring that there is only 10. In this way, this pagination is not going to go very long. Like I click 5, now it's going to show me the another 10. Okay, this way I ensure that this not increases. Like in the last case you have seen what happens, it exceeds beyond this. So this, what I do, I simply said if I is greater than begin slash per page. You know what it is. It's simple. It is simple to announce that if this happen, and one more thing, that if count is less than 10, you can execute this. Okay, you can execute it. Actually, this is all there. This all is there, but I am just hiding it from you. So this is the script. Hope you like it. I know I'm a little very in lot of waivers, but I showed that you like the tutorial, and I hope you subscribe my uh, channel too, and